Hi Gemini, welcome to Omkara Tarot, and let's do a love check-in for you for the end of August. Gemini, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with each and every one of you. So take what works for you and leave the rest, like you're leaving feeling abandoned and miserable and left out in the cold. Somebody is, so let's keep this card aside and see whether it's going to resonate with the rest of our reading. So Gemini, warm welcome back to all my subscribers. Thank you for all the love that you share with me. It really means a lot to me. And oof, you are not stopping, are you, today, Gemini? Here's a King of Pentacles. Let's see what this one wants to say. So let's begin your reading. I think the cards are in a rush to come out for you today, Gemini. Dear God, goddesses, angels, spirit guides, please bless this reading for Gemini and send them the messages they need to hear the most at this time. Thank you. So let's start with your cards. I'm going to cut it one more time, and a warm welcome to any newcomers who are here today. Do join our little Omkara family. We meet here weekly. And let me explain this to you. Two sets of cards, one for you, one for your person. You decide which side you resonate best with, okay? I'll be calling them person A and person B. In the center, I have your mutual energies. So, let's go. Bottom of the deck, we have Six of Swords. Alright. Moving away from troubled times. Three beautiful cards already before I've started the reading. So Gemini, let's see. Person 1, I have person A, the Moon. Four of Wands. Eight of Cups. Six of Cups. Temperance. And the Strength. Okay, second side. Five of Swords. Ace of Swords. Queen of Swords. World, Justice, and the Two of Cups. Wow. Okay. So, Gemini, from what I see here from person A's side, let's start with person A. I don't know whether this is you or this is you, but let's begin with person A. So, person A is feeling that there's still a lot of illusions here, a lot of secrets being kept, not sure, very much in their emotions at the moment. They are, I think, looking for a reunion with someone. Let's see what dropped out. Yeah. They are, something happened in the past which kind of broke you guys off, or there was some trouble here where maybe somebody felt left out in the cold, or person A abandoned this person. And I think some relationship kind of came to a little bit of a trouble spot. And things became really hazy and not very clear between the two of you. And I think person A right now is wishing for some kind of a reunion with this person, or maybe this was a case of a third party situation. Okay, and then that was the secret that was being kept here, which made one person really angry. And even though I think you both made each other very happy, you both thought that, you were kind of soulmates here, and maybe there was potential for long-term stability or something. But somehow I think, because I have two cards of Three of Pentacles and the Three of Cups, which suggests that there could have been a third-party situation here. Because of that, Gemini, somebody walked away from this equation. Let's clarify. Yeah, but this place is still kind of open-ended at the moment. Hasn't really shut. I think you guys are still friends and trying to keep things going somewhere. Yeah, things slowed down. Things really slowed down because I think person A was pretty clear. Even though things cleared down, they were very clear that this is my soulmate, right? I have a past life connection, or I feel that this is my soulmate, and I really want to bring things back into balance with this person. So let's take a card for the Four of Wands. What is this Four of Wands, Spirit? Yeah, this person wanted to make a choice. Okay, one person wanted to make a choice here. But I guess didn't, because there was a third party involved, whereas the other person made a clear-cut decision and walked away from this dynamic of three. Even though there is strong friendship, strong nostalgia, very good memories, there is a lot of friendship here. Too many cards. Spirit, can I have one more card, please, for the Six of Cups? Yeah, see, Six of Cups is clarified by the Six of Cups. You both really like each other. There's a strong bond between the two of you, between you and the person who walked away. So either you could be Gemini, the person who walked away, or it could be your partner. So something happened here with the third party, where the person who you actually had a very strong attachment to walked away. Now I think person A is trying to bring things into balance. Okay, they're trying to heal the situation because they've realized that this is the person I love. I really have very good bonding with this person. I feel very happy with this person, and I have sweet memories with this person. This is my best friend, and I think a wrong choice has been made here, and things kind of have stagnated. And now I have the Strength card as well, with, for person A. So what's this, Spirit? Trying to hold on, fight another day, not giving up, and saying maybe there is some way now to bring balance back into this situation where I can have balance. Because this person A, this person's person walked out on them, left person A feeling very stressed. Okay, feel that they suddenly realized that, oh my God, I think I've made a wrong choice here. Okay, and I've lost my best friend, and they've been up stressing and worrying and tense about losing their partner, their best friend, and now person A is trying to strategize to think, what can I do? I must stay strong somehow, and because they know that this is the person that makes them really happy. Okay, they know that I can have my wish fulfillment, a stable future with this person. Okay. This seemed like your best friend, who you could maybe, take things on to a higher level of commitment maybe, but because of this third party situation, one person just walked away, and that was the person that person A wanted. So let's see person B. Now person B is in the Five of Swords energy, Gemini. They feel that somebody has tricked them, somebody belittled them, somebody made them feel small, they felt cheated maybe in a dynamic, and they felt there is no possibility of a fresh new beginning here because of the way that they were meant to feel, that one person won out at their expense, and they've had to walk away feeling sad and bad and whatever, and right now I don't think they are even accepting any offer from person A. They feel that person B, even though they felt that maybe they have a lot of love for person B, they felt that they were always emotionally closed off. They never shared their emotions with them. They were closed off emotionally and maybe not very authentic. And this is the clarity that person A has come to now, okay? That, yes, I think I don't want to now work with anyone who's going to be emotionally unstable for me. So let's take a card for the Ace of... Yes, person A has kind of given up. They feel it's not even worth, working on this relationship anymore. They become very clear in their mind, and this person, I think, who was the feminine energy here, has picked up her sword now, okay? She wants to be very clear. Even the kind of communication maybe that she's giving is not emotional from any angle, and it almost seems like she is closed off to this now with the World card. She's closed off to this dynamic of having a future. Yes, she feels that, after this thing happened with her, the same card is out again, the Five of Swords and the Five of Swords in reverse now. She feels that she felt very, very embarrassed and belittled, okay, by this manipulative behavior which happened with her. She felt publicly humiliated with this third party thing happening and left out in the cold. And now I think this is the feminine's card here, where she feels I want to now come out of this feeling of always feeling betrayed and left out in the cold and abandoned, because she feels that, yes, she was not made a priority maybe. Now, this is this side's card, who is the King of Pentacles. Okay. Now, this person, King of Pentacles, is a nice guy. I like the King of Pentacles. I always say that in every video of mine when he comes up. This is the person who is very stable, who's very grounded, and what he normally says is what he means, right? So I think person A is now switching gear from being the King of Cups, who's emotionally not available and not, doing the right thing, to now building themselves up to becoming the King of Pentacles. They want to take charge. They want to do the right thing, because now the realization has come that yes, maybe I made a mistake, and this is my wish fulfillment, and how do I now bring things back into balance? So this feminine here has almost kind of shut this chapter, unfortunately. Yeah, she is very angry. She's very bitter at what happened. She has no trust left. She has absolutely no trust left that if I give this another chance, it's going to be just, and there'll be equal give and take again. This person here wants to have something which is fair, not to be juggled around, or feminine is angry. Feminine is very, very angry. Yeah, I don't think she's ready for a new beginning. She doesn't trust anything new right now. Okay, she feels like karma, do whatever it has to. I have done the right thing by removing myself from this dynamic, and I am now in my own growth and my own self-love. Now this feminine has moved on to becoming the Empress. Now, Empress really doesn't need anyone, Gemini. Empress is a person who has abundance within herself, around her. She can provide. Okay. Now she has elevated herself from becoming a Queen of Wands or whatever to becoming the Empress and living her best life. She feels that's the best thing to do for myself. To bring justice to my life, I must concentrate and do the right thing for myself now. I do have the Two of Cups on her side though. Yes. Even though right now she may not be very happy with the way things turned out, this feminine also has a lot of love for this person A. Person B has a lot of love for person A. That love hasn't really dimmed out or died. It's just that this feminine has become a bit guarded now. She doesn't want anything to disrupt her flow of happiness. Somewhere deep in her heart, I think she also wishes that, things can be turned around, and maybe she can, that troubled times that she's seen with this masculine, she hasn't given up the hope that things may just turn around one day where we can have this beautiful partnership once again. And she feels that is the only way if, this masculine levels up. Now they both have the same card, person A and person B. They both love each other dearly. They both feel that this is a match which is made in heaven and they are happy together. But right now, the feminine also has the Justice card twice. So she is very adamant that she's not going to play around. She doesn't want to do anything which is going to, because she is now the Empress. Now, Empress is never in a third party. Empress is beyond, she's above all queens. Right? You can bring 20 queens and then there's the Empress. So how can you make an Empress compete with a mere queen? So this queen says, I demand justice, and if somebody is going to come to me, correct, which I think she does hope for, but she's not going to kind of just give in that easy. But I have, thankfully, this Six of Swords, which was bottom of my deck, which means, yes, things can soon come out of troubled waters and go to calmer seas soon. There is a big possibility to have a fresh new beginning. Now, whether this happens for this Empress on her own, or whether this masculine will actually man up, is what we have to see here, Gemini. So let's see your mutual energies here. So the first card I have for you is the Chariot. Very nice. The Lovers, Gemini. Here's your card, smack in the middle of my reading. And I have the Four of Swords. Okay, yes, I think Gemini, both of you are heart of hearts, wanting to move towards each other. You both realized, I think you both have been stressed in your own corners till now, but wanting now to, get over all this stress and tension and pain that this third party situation caused both of you, okay? You both want to move ahead, but right now I don't think at this present moment any offer of love or anything is being presented. Because maybe there could be some distance between the two of you, and that is why the Chariot is here. I think you both want to be face to face before you can even start talking about something more stable between the two of you. Yes, you both do want to feel victorious in this connection. You both love each other a lot, and you really want this victory to be there in your lives. With the Lovers card, I see that yes, you do have a strong attraction to each other. Strong attraction to each other, and even though one person may have walked out and made that choice to walk away, I think you once, if you ever kind of come together, it can lead to the healing of hearts, right? And that is what is in your mutual energy. So that's what you both are feeling, that yes, we have to make a choice to kind of leave all this stress and tension back where it belongs, and come together in a very happy space where we can heal. And the third card I have, Gemini, for you is also a healing card, right? But this is a single person healing. So I think you guys are not really together at the moment, because maybe kind of guarding yourself, not sure as to what is in the other person's heart. So I think in your own separate corners, you guys are healing yourself, trying to come out of that pain that this third party situation has put you in. So can I have a card, Spirit, for the Four of Swords, please, for the mutual energy? Four of Swords. Right now, I think I don't think anybody has the guts. After everything has happened, people are trying to see it from every angle, okay, and being a bit defensive and not sharing that emotion, not feeling strong enough anymore to even offer or show their love for each other. Even though heart of hearts, you both want this. You both want this. You both see each other as your stability of your long-term potential. So the love is there, Gemini. Love is there. Right now, healing is going on. Strong attraction is there. You both want to come towards each other, but and both feel the same way. Both feel that love. Okay, both feel that Two of Cups energy. But because of what happened, the feminine is a bit guarded here. So let's see what my angels can bless you with. Let's see what my angels can bless Geminis with. Any advice? Any advice for Gemini, please? Yes, Gemini, I think whatever has happened right now between the two of you, this was probably a lesson for both of you, right? I think you'll both have gone through something which has taught you, maybe it's taught the feminine self-worth by walking away from this third-party situation, and it's taught the masculine not to take her for granted and not to be in third-party situations, because it's hurt them both. The separation has hurt both of you. And Spirit is saying, yes, now you found the lesson, and if you can heal from it and learn from it, there is a strong possibility that you guys can come together. Right now, I think just chill a bit, okay, rest up a little bit, heal, and try and play some music, Gemini. Music may have a lot of not just healing power, but listen to the lyrics of the songs which kind of play randomly, or maybe repeat, when you play songs, or at least the first 3 songs. If you suddenly hear music, try and listen to the first 3 songs with lyrics. Maybe there's a message in there for you as to how to take this relationship forward. Okay, so that's all I have for you, Gemini. I hope this worked for you. Take care, love and light, and do subscribe. And I'll see you next week for your September read. Love and light. Namaste.